Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. Our Sales Master Training section will help you to achieve greater result in your career. Let us learn some important sales tips. No matter how experienced or confident you are as a salesperson, there is no excuse for jumping on a phone call without doing a bit of research. Who is this person you're contacting? What is the company they work for? Do you know of any competitors they might be working with? The more you know, the better prepared you're going to be. Hope you will practice this. Let us talk about new sales tips in next video. Kindly like and subscribe our channel.